Tiana's Bayou Adventures is even more amazing at night. At night, it isn't just a ride anymore, it's one of the most beautiful views in the entire park. I've ridden this ride during the day, but at night, it's a completely different experience. So if you're planning a Magic Kingdom day, save this ride for at night. And if you can catch it during Happily Ever After, thank me later. I hope you'll enjoy this nighttime POV of one of Disney's most underrated experiences. And this is the best part of riding Tiana's Bayou Adventures at night. Having the fireworks in the background suddenly elevates this experience into something even more magical.
Thanks for helping me look for musicians for our party tonight. You know it. They're on their way.
Calling our musicians. Man, it's all
People down here think I'm crazy, but I don't We've got to keep searching high and low.
How long can I go?
I hope they all come to our unusual places. Hide unusual habits.
Y'all got itty bitty little bunnies.
You found the sound? That was great.
Hope you enjoyed getting tiny. Now let's get you back to your big, bold, beautiful self. Let's get you to the party. You'll get there in no time. Guaranteed. What a band! I knew y'all would make a big splash at this party. See y'all again soon.
If you haven't experienced Tiana's Bayou adventure at night, you're missing one of Disney World's most underrated experiences. Follow for more Disney moments, and I'll see you in the next adventure.